everyone, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. According to local news outlet La Presse on Wednesday, the depot at Placement du Quebec CDPQ, an institutional investor chartered with managing retirement assets in Canada's predominantly French speaking province of Quebec, worth of almost the entirety of its CA $200 million investment in troubled cryptocurrency lender Celsius Networks. The move came just 10 months after the CDPQ and growth equity firm Rescap made a joint investment of 400 million into Celsius at a valuation of $3 billion. At that time, Celsius boasted over 1,000 employees, to $25 billion in total assets, and 850 million dollars in cumulative interest paid to depositors. However, as an unregulated and centralized depositors' assets are not protected in the event of losses, nor is the firm subjected to any restrictions on the use of leverage during the onset of this year's crypto winter. The sudden and violent crash of Bitcoin, BTC, and other digital assets left a 2.85 billion gap in Celsius net assets. As a result, it suspended withdrawals on the accounts of nearly 1.7 million customers in June. It appears that the loss on Celsius represents only a negligible fraction of the CDPQ portfolio. By June 30, the CDPQ managed a combined CA $391.6 billion in total assets, or about 303.4 billion, decreasing by 7.9% in the past 6 months. The entity is currently evaluating its legal option against Celsius, although it has not shared any details according to court filings. Celsius is scheduled to run out of money by October. My colleagues and I studied almost 3 months of discussion on Reddit forums about cryptocurrency to try to understand how people talk about crypto and Bitcoin. The loudest voice on the forum were a group of crypto enthusiasts who called true Bitcoiners. Unlike technology enthusiasts or crypto marketers, true Bitcoiners didn't talk about technology or about their own use of crypto. Instead, they talked about trust and corruption. These crypto enthusiasts often cite examples of what they see as government corruption and corporate corruption. They recognize that society depends on governments and corporations setting and enforcing rules, and they complain that people are stuck with this corrupt institution. Corruption, they say, is an inevitable flaw in humanity and leads to trying to control and mistreat others. The enthusiasts see Bitcoin, blockchain, and other crypto technologies as providing an alternative to the corruption. They argue that these new technologies are trustless and don't depend on institution. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.